Hello guys, I try explain you my strategy, how all this works, what I doing on this strategy. I try explain best I can to make sure you all understand what I mean. First we have to find some clear uptrend or downtrend. One second, let's have a look. Here we will have really nice option. If you see downtrend like here, yeah? So white line going down, next one is super trend and candles below super trend, yeah? So three things separate: white line, super trend and candles here. And now we wait for these candles going down. If we will see two red candles, we wait for fractal show on. If fractal show on here, we open trade down. 1 second. If you see flat line, super trend line here, yeah, and wide moving average meets this red line, we just waiting if these candles going down. You can't crossing this line here, yeah, they have to going down. If these candles crossing super trend and green super trend show on, we have to find another one. So now we wait for these candles going down. No, this is going too high, so we have to find another pair. This one is no good. Let's find next one. You see, this is what I mean, just this white line is wrong place. This white line should be going from top down, but this is almost what I mean, but still not exactly that's what I want to show you guys. So 1 second, let's have a look here. You see, we have white line up, so we have to wait if this line, these candles go back up. If crossing this green super trend, we have to leave this and find another pair. So let's have a look if this one going up, because if this candle is going up and fractal show on, we open trade up. You see another one crossing too much this super trend. We have to find another pair. Let's have a look on stocks. That was what I mean, guys. You see, we have nice clear super trend, yeah, trend up, yeah. Super trend is here. You see, 1, 2, 3. Fractal go out, shows on, and we open trade. When fractal shows on, we open trade. Should be trade was on this candles. We should get in here. Let's have a look, next one, and I try get trade to show you exactly what I mean. Here we maybe got some good point to trade. If this candle is going up, if going down, we have to find another one. We will see. This white line should be going from here, this way, from down up. So now this is bad, we have to find another one. You see here we had good place. We should get trade on this candle here. When fractal shows on, we should get trade here. On this one also, we should have trade here. 1, 2, 3, yeah. On these candles we should have trade. If this one is loose, I double up. You see, this trade will be in profit. I try find next one, because I'm not sure if you understand what I mean. You see guys, you have to find chart like this, when we have white line here, going up, super trend and candles. If these candles go back down, yeah, to the trend, to the super trend and back up, 1, 2, and when fractal shows on this candle, we should get trade on this candle. If we lose this one, next one we double up. Yeah, that's it, just next one. If you lose this one, forgot, try find another pair. Just leave it, yeah? So, if candles go back down to the super trend and back up, we're waiting for fractal. Fractal shows on and you open trade. If loose, you double up next one. Yeah? Wait here. If fractal shows on this one, we open trade. But if this going up too much, we can't open trade. This candle should close somewhere here, yeah, or go down. If now fractal shows on, we open trade down. You see, fractal shows on, we open trade down. Trade should be open somewhere here, yeah. But anyway, should be in profit. We will see. And if this one lose, double up next one, yeah? Just one time, no more. I hope you understand what I mean. We have downtrend, candles going down, go back up and down again. You see what I mean? Yeah? Price down, go back up and down. Fractal shows on, we get trade. I hope you understand what I mean. If you have any questions, just text me on the Telegram, or we can do some quick video live trading or something like this, guys. Now maybe we will have another chance to get trade. Here is maybe not too good because you have uptrend, yeah, and all the candles show us like get trade down. So Yeah, better if you found charts with like here, downtrend or uptrend. Just remember that if candles crossing this line, we don't get trade. We have to find another pair, guys. Yeah, like here, you see? Is this what I said? Down, back up, and down. And here we should get trade, profit. Back up, 1, 2, 3. On this one we get profit. Yeah? And now going up, if this go back down, fractal shows on, we get trade. Just we have to wait. If this candles go back down and fractals show on. I hope you understand what I mean. Yeah? So good luck, guys. Any questions, text me on the Telegram.